Hello friends, in Maths chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, today we will study area of triangle. So now we know in the last year 9th standard already we have studied the area of triangle formula, that 1 by 2 base into altitude. But now in the coordinate geometry, how to find out area? So suppose a triangle is given in the coordinate system. A, B, C. A has the coordinate x1 by 1, B has the coordinate x2 by 2, and C has the coordinate x3 by 2. So here we can use the Heron's formula by using AB, BC and AC distance. So we can find out AB distance, BC distance and AC distance by distance formula, and we can do the Heron. But that will be a little longer. So we derive here the formula of area of triangle. For that, let me construct the perpendicular from B to x axis, that is BM. So M coordinate is the x20. From A we construct the perpendicular AN. Then N coordinates are x10, and from C where we construct the perpendicular CQ. Then Q coordinates are x30. So we can see that triangle ABC. Now here we can see that BM and A. So BM and AN are parallel lines. So that is one trapezium. A and QC. So AN and QC are parallel lines, so that is one trapezium. And here BM, QC, that is also one trapezium. So we can see that the area of triangle ABC, from that area of trapezium ANMB plus area of trapezium ANQC minus the bottom trapezium BMQC. And so we can write that area of triangle ABC equals to area of trapezium, means quadrilateral, A and MB plus area of quadrilateral, means trapezium, A and QC minus area of BMCQ. Now A and MB is a trapezium. So area of trapezium formula, already we know that area of trapezium means one by 2 A plus B into C, where A and B are the lengths of the parallel side and C is the perpendicular distance between them. So here two parallel sides are BM and AN, and so 1 by 2 BM plus AN into perpendicular distance between them, that is the MN, plus here A and QC, for that 1 by 2 AN plus CQ into perpendicular distance, that is the NQ, minus 1 by 2 Bm into Cq bm plus cq into mq. So here bm, its length will be y2, an length will be y1, and so 1 by 2 y2 plus y1, while mn length will be x1 minus x2, and so we'll write x1 minus x2 plus 1 by 2 an, that is y1, and cq, that is y3, so y1 plus y3 and nq. nq will be x3 minus x1 minus 1 by 2 here bm plus cq means y2 plus y3 into mq, that is x3 minus x2. So now we take out 1 by 2 common and simplify the bracket, then y2 into x1 y2 x1 minus y2 x2 plus y1 x1 minus y1 x2 plus y1 x3 minus y1 x1 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x1 minus y2 x3 plus y2 x2 minus y3 x3 plus y3 x2. So here you can see that minus y2 x2 and plus y2 x2, they are cancelled, plus y1 x1 minus y1 x1, they are cancelled, and plus y3 x3 minus y3 x3, they are cancelled. Now here all the x1 terms we bring them together, so 1 by 2 y2 x1 and here minus y3 x1. In the terms we arrangement, now x2 terms we write, then minus y1 x2 plus y3 x2, and all the x3 terms we write, then y1 x3 minus y3 x1, and so 1 by 2 x1 common y2 minus y3 plus x2 common y3 minus y1 plus here y1 x3 and x3 terms, so y3 y2 x3 will come, and so x3 common, then y1 y minus y2, and so this is called the area of triangle formula. If we draw perpendiculars on y-axis, then we will get the formula 1 by 2 by 1 x2 minus x3 plus y2 x3 minus x1 plus y3 x1 minus x2. So this is when we draw perpendiculars on x-axis, then this formula we draw perpendicular. So both the formula, either we start with the x then in the bracket y, or we start with the y then in the bracket x. With both the coordinates we can get the area of triangle. So now let's see some example to use that formula area of triangle. So here example 11 we have a textbook that find the area of triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 and minus 3 minus 5. So we have ax1 y1 as 1 minus 1, bx2 y2 as minus 4 6 and cx3 y3 as minus 3 minus 5. And so area of triangle ABC. Formula we have 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y1 plus x2 y2 minus y3 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. In this formula we submit the values, then 1 by 2 x1 means 1, then 6 minus 5 plus x2 minus 4, then minus 5 minus 1 plus x3 minus 3, then minus 1 minus 6. And so we will have 1 by 2 1 into 11 plus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 plus minus 3 into minus 7. And so we open the bracket, then 11 plus 16 plus 21. So addition will be 6 1 7 1 8 and 2 2 4 48 by 2. So 24 square unit. Now we are given another example, that find the area of triangle. So again here ax1 y1 is given, 5 2, bx2 y2 is given, 4 7, and cx3 y3 is given, 7 minus 4. So again we write the formula area of triangle. Then 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. And so it is 1 by 2 x1 5 7 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 minus 2 plus 7 2 minus 7. And so it will be 1 by 2 7 5 into 11 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 7 into minus 5. So it is 1 by 2 55 minus 24 minus 35. And so 1 by 2 55 minus 35 20 20 minus 24, that is minus 4. So answer is minus 2. But we know that area cannot be a negative, and so we will take area on the absolute value or the numerical value only. And so area of triangle equals to 2. Now we have the example 13, that find the area of triangle formed by point minus 1.53, point P. Q is given 6 minus 2 and R is given minus 3 4. So P x1 y1 we write minus 1.5 comma 3. Q x2 y2 we write 6 minus 2 and R minus x3 y3 we write, that is minus 3 comma 4. And so area of triangle formula we write 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So we submit the value 1 by 2 x1 minus 1.5 minus 2 minus 4 plus x2 6, that is 4 minus 3, and x3 minus 3 into 3 minus 5. So here 1 by 2 minus 1.5 into minus 6, that is 9. 6 into 1, 6, and here minus 3 into 5, minus 15. And so 1 by 2 into 0. So area is the 0. And whenever we get the area 0, then the points are always collinear. They lie in a straight line. Now example 14 we have, find the value of k if the points a 2, 3, b 14 and 6 minus 3 are collinear. So we know that when the points are collinear, area of triangle equals to 0. And so here 1 by 2 2 into k minus minus 3 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 3 plus 6 into 2 minus 3 minus k equals to 0. We submit in the areas formula the values, and so it is 1 by 2. So 2 will go that side, it will convert into 0. So 2k plus 6, here minus 6 into 4 minus 24, and here 18 minus 6k equals to 0. So 2k minus 6k minus 4k, and here 18 plus 6, 24 minus 24, that is 0. So 4k equals to 0. So k equals to 0. Example 15 we have, if a equals to minus 5, 7, b equals to minus 4, minus 5, c equals to minus 1, minus 6, d equals to 4, 5 are the vertices of quadrilateral, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So we draw the quadrilateral ABCD, and we draw the diagonal AC, and quadrilateral is divided in two triangles. So we can write that ABCD equals to ABC plus ADC. And so we will find out the area of ABC and area of ADC. So area of ABC we take, then from we know the formula 1 by 2 x1 means minus 5 into minus 5 minus 6 plus minus 4 into minus 6 minus 7 plus minus 1 into 7 minus 5. And so we simplify it, then 1 by 2 minus 5 into minus 5 plus 6, so 1 plus minus 4 into minus 13 plus minus 1 into 12 minus plus, so it will be 1 by 2 minus 5 plus 52 minus 12, and so 52 minus 12, that is 40 minus 5, 35, so 35 by 2. Now we will bring the area of ADC. And so ADC means minus 5 into minus 6 minus 5 plus minus 1 into 5 minus 7 plus 4 into 7 minus 6. And so we will have 1 by 2 minus 5 into minus 11 plus minus 1 into minus 2 plus 4 into 13. And so we will get 1 by 2 minus 55 plus 2 plus 52. and so it is answer is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, and so area equals to, we take the absolute value, so 1 by 2. And so ABCD equals to ABC plus ADC. So 35 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 36 by 2. It is 80.